Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle guidance. So that reading may clear your doubts or answer the questions you have in your mind about your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, guys, Pisces. So let's see what are these cards first. We have 8 of water, world, and 2 of fire. So in your work situation or in your relationship, guys, you are moving towards a partnership or some kind of a collaboration in your work, something positive for your future, planning your future, and you are aligning, you are trying to, maybe you are moving towards a collaboration or a partnership in your work, or for some of you, you are stepping up, you want to step up into a deeper responsibility, guys. You love this person and you want them to be in your life, so you want a commitment, a positive committed relationship with this person. And maybe for some of you, you may have this person reciprocating the same way you feel, maybe the same emotions, maybe even they feel the same way about you, and they see you as the right person, and maybe this relationship may work out. Destiny may be working here, guys, unfolding in a positive way for some of you. But for some of you, when you move towards a committed relationship, when you want commitment, or when this person, it may be their energy also, guys. So when they want commitment, maybe for some of you, you have fear, you have some kind of worry about your future, you do not have that clarity, maybe for some of you, and you want to be true to your heart. Maybe you have not come to that place where you feel totally confident about this person, where you trust them 100%, and where you can say truthfully to yourself, honestly to yourself, that you love them and you want to be with them for this lifetime. So for some of you, it may be a break. Maybe they want commitment and you have not come to that realization yet, guys, and you want to be true to your heart. That may be the reason you are holding on or waiting for the right time, waiting for the right moment to accept this person's proposal, or move forward with a deeper commitment in this relationship. So they want to propose to you, they want this love, but you are thinking maybe you have not come to that place, and you should not do something for that other person, guys. Maybe they want this love, but if you do not feel deeply in your heart, you should not go for that choice, Pisces. That is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces. That is a reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seriphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now. But now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So, this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship. And this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change. But when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the Little Match Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, maybe it may be in our relationship, in our life in general, we are, what to say, in a particular circumstance, we see so much pain, suffering and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to, what to say, avoid this sadness. But this card calls for action. So some kind of help, whatever it is. When we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us, they are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our what to say, the right way of doing things. So whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to what to say, change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength, and love if we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.